Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the upcoming phones from the POCO, which is the POCO F3 and the POCO F3 Pro device. So in this video, I'll try to discuss all the specifications, what are got leaked and what are the expected. We can guess what the POCO F3 gonna have. So the release is on March 22nd by the global variant of the POCO, and even in India they're going to launch as well. And in this video, I'll try to include all the details about this complete about the POCO release, friends, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned and for more upcoming videos. And I did order my Redmi K40, I think, which is a POCO F3 only, which will be coming very soon. So maybe this week or next week I might be able to receive. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, friends. So first thing is that there is an event from the POCO Global, which is on the March 22nd, as you can see here. And after the global event in India, the event will be on the 30th of March, as you can see, friends. So it's like after releasing of the global variant, definitely the same model it's going to release in India as well, but maybe with a different name, or they'll try to include the same name. I am not sure what's gonna happen, but let's see, friends, what are the two phones which they are planning to release. So one is of the POCO F3 and other is of the POCO X3 Pro. So these are the two phones which they are trying to release, POCO F3 and the POCO F3 Pro. And the rumors are like the POCO F3 will be having exactly same specifications of the Redmi K40. So if you don't know about the Redmi K40 has got very good specifications like Snapdragon 870 processor and with 120Hz Super AMOLED panel display, and even the battery is of 4520 mAh of battery. So these are the few specifications of the Redmi K40. So Redmi K40 is actually rebranded of the POCO F3. So that is what we can expect from the POCO F3. So we got the confirmation that POCO F3 will be the Redmi K40. So a lot of sources, they did suggest me this kind of information, that even there is a saying that the POCO F3 might get launched in India under the name of Xiaomi, rebranding to the Mi11X. So maybe in India, but overall the one conclusion is that Redmi K40 can be POCO F3. So that is what we got here. And next only thing is about the POCO X3 Pro. So still there are no rumors about the POCO F3 Pro, what it can have, but there's a couple of expectations what we can have is, so there is no information about the processor what the Redmi POCO F3 Pro gonna use. So there is no information about the what processor the POCO F3 gonna use, but there are a couple of information like the POCO F3 Pro can have the 5200 mAh of battery and 120Hz display. So the pricing can also be 21,000. So these are a couple of information. So I'm guessing the POCO F3 Pro might have maybe a Snapdragon 860 or maybe Snapdragon, I think 8088, because normally POCO F3 is having the Snapdragon 870. So obviously the Pro version will be the slightly more Snapdragon version. So that's equal to maybe Snapdragon 8088. But if the Snapdragon 888 is getting released, then the price will be definitely more than close to 30,000 price. So that is what kind of tough in terms of predicting this POCO F3 Pro. But in the future, definitely we will see a lot of rumors and a lot of leaks going to happen in the next upcoming days. But in case if you're planning to buy the phone, so definitely make sure to stay tuned for the next couple of days and wait for the next couple of weeks, friends. Definitely you will see very good phones getting released in the next couple of weeks as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and stay tuned for more information on these phones, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.